Hello everyone, welcome to Halsey's Kitchen. Making some curried chicken and rice with some steamed vegetables tonight. As you see, I got the rice all steamed. That's brown rice, boil-in bag, which is very good. Comes out very fluffy and everything. And what I did to make this perfect ring here was I used one of these. I put it on a plate, put the rice on there, and then picked it back off. It made quite a nice little circle there. Around the outside is some mixed steamed vegetables. And then I went cheap and easy, and I used some canned chicken, which I'm just using that up out of the pantry there. I mixed some curry with it. It really smells good. I'm going to put that right in the middle. And I can definitely tell by the way this smells, it's going to be a really good dish here. There we go. Now on the top, I'll put a couple of jalapeno rings. Which are about my favorite additive to each dish. Then we're going to use a little bit of Tabasco. Just drizzle that around on everything there, and there's the dish. Really smells good. Let's a little bit better look at this. Thanks for tuning in to Halsey's Kitchen. This is my dinner here tonight, and I'll see you next time.